What is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is my buddy
RidingBikesNYC.
He rides a Street Triple RS. It's a beautiful, beautiful bike. It's the same bike as mine. I think it's the same year, actually. Anyways, we just decided to do something, get out. So we're gonna go on a little ride. Probably head into Coney Island. Just, I don't know, do something. Maybe stop by the Verrazano bridge. The Verrazano, which is a very large bridge that connects Brooklyn and Staten Island. The funny thing is, so he's riding the RS. It is his first motorcycle. And normally, you know, if I'm to say, you know, what would be a great first motorcycle for someone to learn on, it probably would not be the Street Triple RS, or the R, for that matter. You'd have to be a very intelligent, responsible, mature person, and
RidingBikesNYC.
he just happens to be that. He happens to be all of that. So, you can absolutely start on any bike. You just have to, you know, respect the power that the bike has. This part of Brooklyn is, we're heading towards downtown Brooklyn. You can see it right there. Probably looks really far away, but it's actually quite close. There he goes. Top Gun USA. Check out this guy's jacket. Lady Luck, baby. All right. Top Gun USA. What is that? Something not like a bike crew or anything like that. Maybe he's a former naval aviator. Oh, you're a pilot. Naval aviator, ma'am. Does anyone watch Top Gun? I mean, when I was a kid, it was Top Gun and Star Wars. I watched those VHS. Yes, VHS. I am a child of the 80s. I watched those things over and over again. I would watch Star Wars, rewind it, put on Top Gun. When I was done with Top Gun, I would put Star Wars in and then rewind Top Gun. I think I've probably seen those films, you know, maybe a few hundred times. Also, Dumb and Dumber. It sounded like he revved bump, 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 bump. So I did. Yeah, there you go. You can probably scooch over here. Yep, good job.
RidingBikesNYC.
All right. Well, I was hoping there wouldn't be a whole lot of traffic, but It is a Sunday afternoon. We're lucky. It's actually quite nice out. It is actually quite nice out. So by this time, I guess the news is out. I'm working at Triumph and absolutely loving it. I'm working with my friends, so working with your friends is I don't know, it doesn't feel like work, you know? And then when people come in and I talk to people, I'm talking to them about motorcycles that I love. So it's weird, you know? It's not work at all. It's just me hanging out with my buds, having a good time, getting, you know, we work really hard. You don't become one of the top motorcycle dealerships in the Northeast without selling a few bikes. And man, we're moving and shaking. I'm actually really impressed at how often these what's going on here. Anyways, not how often, but just how hard we work. Everyone does their little jobs, responsibilities, and sorry, just watching out for the popo. They do hang out here. And there's a car up here. He's doing stuff, so I'm gonna continue to do stuff. There goes Top Gun. I don't know why all this frickin' traffic is going on. It's Sunday. It's Sunday right at like 12:30, 1 p.m. Come on. Spicy Yoni. I'm just gonna sliver in here. We'll go this way. Alright.
RidingBikesNYC.
Falling good. Alright. Nice. Okay. There's a prison over here. It's where Giselle Maxwell and Harvey Weinstein, is that the guy that died? Yeah, that's where it's, right over here. It's freaking in Brooklyn. And I had no idea. And I was riding with my buddy Anthony one day, or not riding, but you know, on the road with him, and he was like, check that out, it's the freaking prison right there. And that's weird. It is so weird that the prison is just right around the corner. Oh, come on, Top Gun, move it! Move! Alright, we got this lane coming up here. Alright. Normally I like to be a little subdued, but my goodness. That was just too much subduedness. Plus, I don't know, I feel like I've calmed down as a rider. I'm slower than I usually am. rewatched a bunch of my old XSR videos, and man, I was really rigging the hell out of that thing and beginning to ride pretty aggressively, I would say. So I don't know what kind of switched in my brain, but yeah, I've kind of settled down a little bit. Just gotten a little bit calmer in my old age. Verrazano, here we come. Good looking motorbike. Actually, is that? I think that's my buddy. I think that's one of my friends. I think that is John Saponara, but I don't know. No, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I recognize the jacket though. Damn, I think, yeah, I missed the prison. Actually, no, I didn't. It's right there. It's that building. Not that one, but the second one, back there. You see all the barbed wire and everything? That, my friends, is a prison. What a absolute beautiful Brooklyn prison. And then we have this shopping center here called Industry City. Yeah, anyways. And that concludes my story, ladies and gents. Such a good storyteller. And I'm being sarcastic, by the way. Oh, yeah. It's kind of gloomy around here, huh? Not exactly a perfect day. But it's a day I will take. And be glad. So up here, the Verrazano. This is a 287, or I'm sorry, 278, the BQE. And it splits off, and then you can take the Verrazano Bridge, and you can go into Staten Island. Staten Island. Oh man, what a lovely place. Where do I start? I don't even know Staten Islanders that that enjoy yeah, we need to be on the Beltway, Belt Parkway. Sorry. Alright, I guess I'll stop talking a little bit. And yeah. Okay. We're gonna get off here and recheck. So we need to get on the Beltway, going the opposite direction. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. You going right? Okay.
It's so confusing because you would expect the
Yes. Yeah. Instead it goes to the left and then it goes under, yeah.
take the scenic route.
I don't know this neighborhood at all. What is this?
It's I think it's Beirut.
Oh, okay. So this is Bay Ridge. I have spent 0 time in Bay Ridge before. So I've known some people that lived in Bay Ridge. Never visited them. Damn, I guess I'm a bad friend. Or something. Got a kung fu place. Hell yeah. Fucking kung fu, man. Alright. Well, I'll do another video once we hit the Verrazano. Okay, kids. Picking back up here, riding through. There's the Verrazano! There's the Verrazano Bridge. The Verrazano Bridge. I like saying the Verrazano Bridge like that. I don't know why. We found the right place. Ooh, coal-fried pizza. Ooh. That looks good. Should try that place. Yeah. Italiano. Nice. That's cool, yeah. Little park here. A huge-ass cannon. What the fuck is that, dude? Ooh. The park down there. Yeah. How do you get down there? We'll figure that out. We made it. You can see the Verrazano. It's like right behind all of this shit. Alright, we're gonna walk down there.